back to my channel. So today I am doing a huge Sephora haul. I purchased a bunch of things from Sephora and I wanted to show you what I got. Not only is it one box, but two completely filled boxes from Sephora. I think it actually came in more than two, but I obviously condensed it. And I said, let me show you guys. I waited for everything to come and I'm finally ready to make the video. So I'm gonna jump right into it and try not to make this a really long video. I redeemed some points, I got some free samples. Some of these are repurchases for me. First thing I got is these Shiseido cottons. These are amazing. They're 165 in here for $10, and that is really not so bad because you don't have to, they're so thick that you do not need to use more than one to remove makeup or use them for toner. Actually, I do cut them in half sometimes if I use them for toner, so they last a really long time. And then I ended up getting a little pack as well. This is the pack of 40 and this is $5. So it's really not that bad price-wise. I actually had a sample of this and I had to buy the full size because I absolutely love it. This is the Full Dry Volume Blast. This makes my hair smell amazing, and even though it's not labeled as a dry shampoo, it actually works almost better than a dry shampoo. It doesn't leave any white cast on my hair, and it actually does give me that volume. They do sell the travel size on the website for $15, but I said, why not go for the full size? And I think it was like $29. That was the one product I had to really splurge on. The next thing is a travel size of the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Coolin' Matte. This is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer, and it's infused with peach and sweet fig cream. This just looked and sounded so good. I think this would be great for my skin. I think it is for like oily skin, so it's supposed to, you know, really blur and smooth your complexion, and it has a brightening peach tint, and it's supposed to work with any skin tone, and the size is pretty good. This was $15 and you do get a lot of product, so I'm excited to try this. I also had to purchase a beauty blender. I actually have not had a real beauty blender in years. I've been using a lot of off-brand beauty blenders and they just haven't been working so good. I'm wondering why my foundations just aren't working right, and I'm really thinking that it had to do with the beauty blender. So I did go ahead and purchase the black one. I think this is the Beauty Blender Pro, and this of course is $20. I know it's pricey, but you only have one beauty blender, right? So that was the smaller box that I purchased, and with that I ended up picking the free samples, and I also, you know, the gift with purchase as well. One of the free samples is from Carolina Herrera, and it's the Good Girl perfume. I love this scent. This is something I would want the full size of. Actually got two of them. That's how much I like it. I also chose to try the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. This was pretty cool that they had the Tatcha silk canvas in a little cardboard sample. I actually have the full size of this, but when I saw that this was one of the samples, I had to grab it. The last sample I chose was from Kat Von D, and this is the 24-hour Super Brow, and it comes with a bunch of different shades that you can try out for your brows. I don't know about that purple one, but it looks fun. If you spent $35, you got this little goodie bag of skincare samples. First thing is from Hum Beauty, and this is the Mint Chocolate Chip Raw Beauty Superfood Kapari Coconut Melt, the Volition Helix AM/PM Eye Gel, the Cora Organics Face Oil, and it's for all skin types, the Youth to the People Kale and Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid Superfood Moisture Cream, the Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion, the Fresh Rose Face Mask, and I've tried this before, the Josie Maran Argan Oil Light, so this is a lightweight argan oil, the Coors Wild Rose 15% Vitamin C Spotless Serum, and you're actually getting two because if you look on the back, you could actually split this in half, so you basically have two right here. And then the Boscia Luminizing Black Peel Off Mask. So this little skincare set was with my $35 purchase, and then with the other order of $25, I ended up choosing the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I've never tried this before and I wanted to give it a try, and this is in the shade medium. Let's get into the big box. First thing is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. I actually really wanted to try this, so it's really cute, the packaging, and it's supposed to be not like a typical face mask. It's supposed to be like jelly almost. I've heard really great things about this, so I can't wait to try this out. The next thing was like a little duo, and it was the Hum and BHKR little kit here. Now I use these daily cleanse vitamins all the time, and I had needed to repurchase them, and I saw this little gift set here. These are just great vitamins. They really detox your skin, and they keep my skin really clear, that when I run out I really notice it. The next thing is from Milk Makeup, and this is the cooling water stick. I really love this. I like to use this during the day, and I just put it in the morning. I'll just put it around my eyes, and you can put it like on your neck, you can put it in the fridge, and it is so refreshing on the skin. So good that I got 2 of them. This is the full size, of course, and you just spin it open, and it has a little protective thing on it, but you'll spin it up almost like a deodorant, and then you can just put it really anywhere just for a cooling sensation, and it really helps with the puffiness under the eyes. Like if I don't really sleep very good at night and I don't get a lot of steady hours, so when I wake up in the morning, I put this under my eyes and above my eyes, and it really does take that puffiness away. The next thing is from Benefit, and it is the Gimme Brow, and this is in the shade number 5. I've never tried the Gimme Brow before. I've used off-brands, but this is a really easy way just to quickly fill your brows in. The next thing is something brand new. It's the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi. For me, I'm pretty tan, and for me this is gonna be perfect for those no makeup days. It has a really nice pump to it, so you don't have to worry about making a mess, and it is $36. You only need to use a little bit, but you can use this on your face, on your body. I would only use it on my face because this is a lot of money to be using it on your body, but you can actually mix this into your foundation. I plan on using this for when I don't want to wear foundation, and you just put a little bit of this on, put a little setting powder, and you're good to go. So the next thing I wanted to get is from Sol de Janeiro, and it is the Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist, and it smells exactly like the Boom Boom Cream. They have a larger size of this, but I got this one because I wanted to make sure I like it before I buy the full size, and it was $19. I also got the Olehenriksen Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser, only $10. It's so cooling on the face, and it does control your oil. So the next 2 things are my favorite foundation of all time, the Sephora Wonderful Cushion, and this is only $11. I mean, all the foundations I've tried and everything that's out there, these have been just my favorite. Now they do come with like the little sponge, and it's a cushion compact, so all the foundation is in a little sponge inside the compact. I don't use the sponge it comes with. I use my beauty blender. The coverage is actually really good, but it's not matte. It gives you a nice glow, but it does not make me greasy at all. Now there are only 3 or 2 shades left, because they've had this on sale from $22 or $24 to $11 for a long time. I use the shades 33 and 35, and that's Walnut and Bronze. And you would think when you go on the website, you would think that they're darker, too dark, but no. I'm actually wearing the bronze one right now because I do have an open one. It looks very natural. I also purchased these Sephora Level Setter razors. There were 3 in here, but I had to take one out and start using Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is a setting powder. First of all, I love this packaging. I always like Becca packaging. It's supposed to be cooling and hydrating, so I thought that this is great for like my summer skin. Is it worth the price? I don't think so. I think this was like almost 40 bucks. Should be filled. I know if you settle it, so hopefully it's worth it. This is a repurchase for me. This is the clean shampoo from OUAI. They have also a volume one and a smooth one. I don't go through conditioner quickly. So when I do have to buy this, I only have to buy the shampoo at least. So it makes it a lot cheaper because this is like $28. I feel like I cannot go back to anything else. And this is from trying things in subscription boxes. So yeah, going into debt. That's it for everything that I purchased. So let me show you now the other set of free things that I got. The first thing is from Urban Decay, and it's the all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray. This is a good travel size bottle. I also chose the Glam Glow Instamud, the new 60-second mask. I got 2 of these. These were also with purchase, so I got these for free. This Dior perfume, this C by Giorgio Armani perfume, Miu Miu perfume, Replica from Maison Margiela. This is another perfume. Daisy by Marc Jacobs, one of my favorites. So I ended up getting this Soy Fresh cleanser from Fresh. Sunday Riley Good Jeans. I have a couple of these actually. I got 3 Beauty Blender cleansers. The Prada Candy Gloss. This smells really good. Perricone MD Hydrating Cloud Cream. Amore Pacific Essential Cream Fluid. 2 more Good Jeans from Sunday Riley. Prep and Glow Cleanse Exfoliate Cloth. So this is 1 cloth. This Kevyn Aucoin Supernatural Concealer. The Cover FX Power Play Foundation and the Natural Finish. So this is the Power Play and then this is the Natural Finish. This is the Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base from Makeup Forever. And the last 2 samples with purchase are these Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. These last couple of products are my point redemptions. Was this Pores Balance and Cream, and it's for oily combination skin. And the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, I think that's just so adorable. The Olehenriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. This is also new. Tarte Maracuja oil. But look how cute that bottle is. So it's literally like just a tiny little miniature of the full size. So all you do is like you press this little button and it'll fill up the dropper. This is more lightweight than I expected it to be. So I'm gonna try this out at night. The last thing is not a point redemption, but this was like the VIB gift. Every once in a while I'll get an email and it'll say, with your $25 purchase, redeem this for VIBs only. And this time it was from Origins, and it was this ginseng trio. It came with an eye cream, a gel moisturizer, and then a scrub cleanser. This was the biggest Sephora haul I've ever done. I think it was 4 orders. So that's how I got all these like extra products with purchase, because I didn't just make 1 order. I did it 4 times. I get free shipping. I do the $10 flash shipping. So I don't pay for shipping no matter how small my order is, and then I get it in sometimes 1 day. If you're ready, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like Sephora hauls and unboxings, then give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate the support, and leave down in the comments below what you think about all this stuff that I got. Is there anything that you have been wanting to get from Sephora lately? And is there anything that I received that you have already? I would love to hear what you guys think. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.